Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow third-party cookies in incognito or private mode in Google Chrome on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For your information, by default, third-party cookies are blocked in incognito mode in Google Chrome browser, and in case you want to allow third-party cookies in incognito mode also, then first open Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the Chrome settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down, and under privacy and security, click on this one option, third party cookies. Here, to allow third party cookies, just select this one first option under default behavior, allow third party cookies. This will enable third party cookies in normal window as well as private window in Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 and 10 PC.